Proper septic tank maintenance is essential for the functioning and longevity of your septic system. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of maintaining your septic tank and the impact it can have on your overall household and the environment. Before we delve into the importance of maintenance, let's first understand what a septic tank system is. A septic tank is a vital part of the sewage treatment process for properties that are not connected to a centralized sewer system. It is an underground tank that collects, treats, and disposes of wastewater from your home. Regular maintenance of your septic tank ensures its proper functioning. This includes regular inspections, pumping, and cleaning. Neglecting these maintenance tasks can lead to numerous problems such as clogged drains, foul odors, and even sewage backups in and around your property. Proper septic tank maintenance goes beyond just the functionality of your household. It plays a crucial role in protecting the environment. A well-maintained septic system prevents harmful contaminants from leaching into the soil and nearby water sources, ensuring the health and preservation of ecosystems. Regular maintenance not only prevents immediate issues but also extends the lifespan of your septic tank system. By investing in proper care, you can avoid costly repairs and replacements in the future. It's a proactive approach that saves you both money and the hassle of dealing with major septic system failures. In conclusion, the importance of proper septic tank maintenance cannot be overstated. It ensures the smooth functioning of your septic system, protects the environment, and saves you from potential expensive repairs. Make sure to schedule regular inspections and maintenance for your septic tank to enjoy a trouble-free and eco-friendly sewage treatment system.